That's Emperor Qin Shi Huang. The last but not the least genre is two trust fairs. Trust fairs looks like the pictures, and because China is a big agricultural country, in ancient times, people began to cultivate the land and always regarded it as an important means of survival and livelihood. There are many mountains and hilly areas in southeast China which lack large-scale plants for grain planting. So, as early as 2,000 years ago, people who lived in the mountain they reclaim sloping hills into stepped flat land for planting rice and other crops. But today, trust fields are mainly used as tourist attractions. There are two very famous sites of trust fields in China, the honey traces in Yunnan and the Longji traces in Guangxi. The picture above is honey traces in Yunnan, and the picture below is the Longji traces in Guangxi. Now we will see the videos of the traces fields. I think it's better to see the traces above. In the sky, we'll have
Huoyuan is known as one of the most beautiful villages in China, and its most beautiful season every year is in the middle and last 10 days of March. Huoyuan, located in the northeast of Jiangsu province in southeast China, is a county surrounded by mountains. When spring comes, oilseed rape flowers in Huoyuan come into full bloom. These crops, from which oil is extracted, can resist the cold in winter. The crops are sown in the autumn of the previous year and harvested in the summer of the following year. Jiangsu province is a big producer of oilseed rape flowers in China. The most beautiful oilseed rape flowers are in the Jiangling and Hualing areas of Huoyuan. Here there are layers of golden terraces planted with oilseed rape flowers, which complement the residential buildings with their typical white walls and black tiles, forming a beautiful natural picture. They are said to be one of the 10 most beautiful terraces in the world. The terraces in Jiangling can be long or short, and wide or narrow. The longest can be tens of meters long, while the short ones only measure 3 or 5 meters. Wide terraces are sometimes 10 meters broad, and narrow ones too narrow for cattle to plough. Large terraces are bigger than basketball courts, and small ones are not enough for an adult to lie down. The terraces are as high as the mountains of Jiangling. Standing by the side of the road on the hillside, you can see so many terraces which stretch out along the ridge of the mountain. Countless terraces combine to form a natural, compelling picture.
It's amazing to see above of the chest fields. We have to. Sometimes I will think, wow, it's so amazing, and it's you don't know, it's so amazing and it's so wonderful. When I see the chest fields again and again, and every time I feel shocked. Okay, this is our class about Chinese geography, and after the class, I think you have to finish or you have to answer these questions. Question 1. In China, some people say that they are southerners and others say they are northerns. Do you know the basis of the division of China's south, north, northwest, and southwest? Question 2. Why is the Yellow River called the Mother River of the Chinese nation? And what legends do you know that they are related with the Yellow River? 3. The third question is about Beijing and Shanghai. The fourth question is of China's natural environment, a question. And the question 5 is about the Chinese people often say each place have its own way of supporting its own inhabitants, and the farming system has a profound impact on the traditional thinking of the Chinese. What is your idea about this? These are the questions on our class. And please recall the concept of this lesson and answer these questions. Don't forget, answer the questions and know much more about Chinese geography. Have you write down all the questions and ready for answering them? The 5 questions. Okay, it is the end of the course, and thank you. Let's see next time.